how to kick someone from your private server in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Roblox account. After that, open up any particular game where you have your server. Suppose I have a server on Steal a Brain Rot. I will just simply open it up and then you would be able to find different options over here. When you scroll down, simply select the option of servers. And over here, if you have a private server, you would be able to see your private server right over here. If you want to kick out someone, you would be able to find three dots right beside your private server. Simply select it and click on configure. After that, you would be able to find all the people that are there in your private server, and right beside them, you would be able to find a cross icon. Simply click on it and you would be able to remove that person. And you can also block people from joining your server again, and just simply keep your server to invite only. This way you would be able to share your private server's link and only then people would be able to join it. You can also remove all the people in one go. If you have people in your server, just simply select the three dots right beside your private server and you would be able to find to disband your private server right beside your configure option. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.